Okay, so you've got 1 hour a day to work out. The big question is, how do you make it really count?
So you might be wondering, is an hour even enough? Well, the good news is the answer's a huge yes.
But first, let's get one thing straight. Forget about the perfect plan. The best one is the one you actually do. And Dr. Phillips absolutely nails it here. Sticking with it, that's the real secret sauce for long-term success.
It's simple, really. A basic plan you stick to will always crush a fancy one you quit. So what does this simple plan look like? Well, your hour is built on just two main pillars.
First up is resistance training. Think of this as building the strength you use for, well, pretty much everything.
And here's the golden rule. Just hit all your major muscle groups at least twice a week. That's it.
And you can totally customize this. Want pure strength? Go heavy. Want muscle growth? Focus on more sets. And the best part? No fancy gym required. Your own body weight or even just some bands work wonders. Okay, pillar number 2, endurance training. You probably know it as cardio, and it's essential for your heart.
The magic number to shoot for here is 150 minutes a week. That's just 30 minutes 5 times a week.
So how in the world do you fit all this into your week? Let's build a sample schedule right now. It's a pretty simple framework. First, lock in your 2 or 3 resistance days, then plug in your cardio. For example, if you're all about getting stronger, your week might lean heavier on resistance training, just like this. But hey, maybe you're training for a 5K. Your week might look more like this, while still hitting those minimums. And please, do not forget recovery. That's when the real magic happens, when your muscles actually rebuild and get stronger. So if there's just one thing you take away from all this, let it be this. Simply starting is the biggest win. It really boils down to that old saying, use it or lose it. It's truly that simple.
That 1 hour, done consistently, can redefine your future. You have the blueprint. Now what will you build?